welcome to Bilisoma Show with Wayesa. The Ethiopian Muslims have returned to protest against the Ethiopian government. Here are some pictures from the Friday, March 28, 2014. These pictures you are looking at were taken over there inside Shagar, Oromia. There is an article. If you are interested in reading that article, follow the link below this video. If you don't know, the Ethiopian Muslims have been protesting against the Ethiopian government on and off for more than 2 years. Thank you so much for watching Bilisoma Show. You take care. Bye-bye.